Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Alma.
And I'm Brianna.
And today we are going to show you guys our top 5 favorites.
I'm so excited for this.
So excited.
I've been wanting to do this for a while. Just
Me
to
too.
kind of, get some of those requests out and show you guys what we like to wear.
Yeah. So do you want to go ahead and go first and show
Yes,
your favorite?
I will go first. So the first set I'm wearing is the Mia band and the Camille. And they're both in silver.
I love how like the Mia band is like so like vintage.
Yeah,
and it's different.
It adds some flavor to
Yeah,
it.
some
It
flavor.
makes it different. I like it.
It definitely makes it really different. Like with the emerald cut, I like that.
It looks
Great
cute
choice.
together. Thank you.
I like that. So me, surprisingly, I think you're gonna be surprised. So I'm gonna show you guys my favorite ring. You are actually gonna be really surprised with this ring.
What is it?
It's the Victoria. I never talk about this ring.
Don't. It's a classic though. It looks good.
Right, it's a classic. It's definitely been growing on me.
It's cute.
The stone is actually a marquise, and it has like a twisty little band, which just makes it so different and so trendy and just, I don't know.
It's a classic. It's
a classic.
You can't go wrong with it. You know what I mean?
No, you can't. And you can also like triple stack this ring if you wanted
With
to.
the Zoes?
With the Zoe.
Those look good.
Yeah, you can just do whatever you want with it. So it's been growing.
That's cute. I like that.
So that's mine.
So my second ring is actually a set, and it's the Evermore set in rose gold.
I love
Look
the Evermore.
at that. So gorgeous. I love the Evermore. It comes in silver, rose gold, and gold. So whatever your pick of the litter is, you guys can choose that. I just like the rose gold because I think it's just really pretty and sparkly.
Yeah, I
Looks
like
good.
it.
It's
Very
a classic
pretty.
too. With the halo and everything. Just
Love that.
chef's kiss.
Chef kiss.
All right, what's your second one?
All right, my second one, you know this. It's the Eternity band with the
Elena.
The
in rose
Elena.
gold.
You
She
guys,
talks about this ring all the time. It's her favorite.
This is my favorite. It is in rose gold. It also comes in silver. And I just love the oval shape just because it elongates my fingers. And yeah, it's just, I don't know. I'm obsessed.
As soon as we got that ring in, we were in love.
As soon as we got it, and yeah, I did fall in love. And I never thought I would be such an oval shape person. Like I always thought like emerald cut, which I love too.
I love emerald cut.
But like I never thought I would like choose an oval shape.
No, it's a pretty one. I like it. It's good. The hidden halo and everything.
Love it.
Love a good hidden halo. Okay, so my third one is a classic. It's the I Do. I don't even pair it with any bands just because it's
just so simple.
It has a lot going on itself that it doesn't need anything to help it out. And I think it just looks beautiful how it is, and it's really sparkly, you guys. It's got 6 stones on each, or 3 stones on each side, and then a center stone. Looks beautiful.
Really pretty. I never thought you would actually choose that one.
It's just a classic.
Yeah.
I mean, they're all just classics, but this one I feel like is something that people would have been wearing for years.
That is actually very true. Very, I would say, like kind of like traditional.
Very traditional.
But still, it's coming in style. It'll never go out of style.
Exactly.
So I'm gonna show you my next favorite.
Okay.
It's the Zoe, the one and only.
Ooh, those are good together.
They're super, super cute. They also come in, so this is the yellow gold. It comes in rose gold and silver as well.
Looks good.
I love just wearing the one and only by itself. It just does so much. It has like a very sleek band, but adding the Zoe just adds a little flair. Adds a little oomph. It's just very classy.
And the yellow gold's pretty too.
Very pretty. So yeah, that's one of mine.
Love it. So for my fourth choice, I'm doing the Sophia paired with the Forever.
Cute.
I love the Sophia. Also comes in yellow gold and silver. I'm wearing it in rose gold. It's a vintage band and a vintage setting on the Sophia as well. And it's honestly one of my tops. Like, I love this one. It's small.
Very
and I've always wanted a bigger one, but for small, like this one.
Yeah.
This
That's
one's
a pretty big stone too.
Yeah, but it's just like single and stuff. But for single, I love it. It's just gorgeous.
Very cute.
Love.
All right, so my next pick is the Alexandria. This is actually our first emerald cut. I love it. It's just a classic. It's a classic emerald stone.
It was our first one. It looks so good.
It goes with anything. You can actually pair it with anything. You can pair it with the Desire, the Forever. It's just so pretty. It's elegant.
Yeah.
You know?
And we also have it in yellow gold and rose gold as well.
Yes, thank you. So that's my fourth one.
Okay, so for my last one, I have another Forever band because I just love it. And this one is with the scarlet.
Oh, I love the scarlet.
Now, the scarlet is pear-shaped, and I never thought I would ever like a pear-shaped one. But this one,
I know.
It's cute. It's just, it works. It looks good. It's a vintage band. It's classic, and I love it. I honestly would wear this one.
Me too.
I don't like pear-shaped, but I would wear this one. This one's cute.
Love the scarlet. Very, very good choice.
Very good. What's your last one?
My last one is the Chelsea.
Ooh, that stone.
The stone is beautiful.
Flawless.
It has a hidden halo, a sleek band, can go with anything, you can triple stack it. Also comes in yellow gold and rose gold. This is just beautiful. You can go with, I don't know, it goes with anything. It's just literally,
it's so good. The stone is just so sparkly.
I know.
When it hits the light, you guys, it's fantastic. We love.
It's just beautiful. I love it. So yeah, those are our top 5 rings.
I mean, I could just go through them all day and choose a million, but
exactly.
We
had to choose 5, guys, but trust me, there's a lot more.
There's a lot more, and we'll probably show more in the future.
Yeah, if you guys want to see more, we'll definitely make our second video. I don't know.
Let us know in the comments.
Let us know.
Thank
you guys so much for watching.